Hi guys, today I will show you how to install Nipzu jailbreak on iOS 18 running iPhone. Search, jailbreak18pangu8.com. Then select the first link on the search results. Open the Pangu 8 store and select Nipzu jailbreak. Start the jailbreak by opening the Nipzu app on home screen. This will take some seconds. Nipzu works as an alternative package manager installer for iOS 18. Select the Cydia Lite to install it on your iPhone.